In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the stem stitch. The stem stitch is great for outlining areas. It's got a little bit of a raised edge and it just makes a nice clean line. And you can see that here around the edges. So we're going to start with our needle and floss, and I'm going to come up from the back on my stitch line, and then I'm going to stitch ahead a little bit of a long stitch, about 1/4 inch, and then come back halfway towards where I came up. And then we'll pull that through. And after you have that setup stitch, then it's really easy to figure out what to do next. So you're just going to stitch ahead. Again, this will be about 1/4 inch from where it's coming up. And then we'll stitch back to the end of the previous stitch. So you can see how they're just sort of like nesting in next to each other. So again, we'll go forward and back to the last stitch. And I'm keeping my floss down below here. So my loop is coming from the bottom below my stitch line. And that'll be consistent all along the whole stitch line. So you just continue on like that. This is great to outline things. It's good for curves and lettering. And it makes a nice little kind of ropey look. And then to end, you can just go down like that and knot it off on the back. And that is the stem stitch.